Hi, I'm Angela Caglia, and I'm going to show you how to use my Vibrating Rose Quartz Sculpting Roller. The first step is to apply a serum or moisturizer. I'm going to use my Detox Glow Serum. And then it's really easy. You just turn it on at the bottom. It's battery operated, so you don't need to charge it or plug it in. And then I love to start right at the jawline and push outward. And it feels really cold because it's a real rose quartz stone. And you're getting 6,000 sonic vibrations per minute, which is giving a micro massage to your skin to lift and sculpt. I also love to apply a sheet mask and apply it over the sheet mask. I'm going to go under my eye and perform a light lymphatic drainage massage and drain it right below my ear where my lymph node is. You can also go up high and do a little sculpting above your eyebrow to get a temporary lift. Now this is incredible for lifting and sculpting, and all you need to do is use it for 5 to 10 minutes a day. I love to do it morning and night, 2 times. You can also get in and do your neck. Get those pesky tech neck lines from looking down at the phone. I love to perform this during my facials, and my clients just love it, and I wanted to bring it to market so you can try it at home.